everyone, this is Sandy Create the Heart, and today I am here to share a very quick couple of cards that I made. So I've been trying to go through a lot of the recent stamp sets that I got and I didn't get a chance to use, especially my Stamptember stamp sets. So this one is from Concord and 9th. I think it's supposed to be a poinsettia. It's called Festive Flowers. It does give a guide of how it's supposed to look. I think it's supposed to be a poinsettia, but I think it could be other flowers. I don't know. But I also have the dies. And so I wanted them to be a little less Christmassy because I wanted to use these as thank you cards for my kids to write to relatives for the gifts they got for Christmas. So I did two different color profiles. So I did a blue and then I did more of a pink, and then the greens, this one is more of like a key lime green, and this one is more like a forest green. I use Pink Fresh Studio inks, and so this is like one of those sort of two-tone stamp sets. So you do a lighter color, and then you do a darker color on top. And the leaves are also the same. Even though it's a fairly simple card, it does take a little bit of time to build the color and then do all the stamping and then do all the cutting. It does take a little bit of time. I also did a little bit of stickles on the edges. And then this has a couple of great sentiments. So it does have love and joy and Merry Christmas, but then it also has hello, oh happy day, and thanks so much. So it definitely, I think, can be used, for non-holiday cards, which is probably how I'm most likely going to use it because I do have other poinsettia stamps, dies, and so on. So I do like it. I like the size of it, and I like how it's very simple. You could just do the image and some leaves with a simple sentiment, and you've got a very nice, simple thank you card. So anyway, thank you for watching and seeing me work through all of my winter things I didn't get a chance to use yet. Thanks for watching. This is Sandy Create the Heart.